Okay, there's a lot that can go wrong as a content creator that most of it's out of your control, but one of the worst things that can happen, your hard drive with all of your stuff on it just goes. This is a 5 terabyte external drive. It's a WD, which I think stands for Western Digital. This is the second WD drive I've had, and the second one that just has completely stopped working. In fact, one day I just turned it on, and where I normally keep it parked on my desktop, it wasn't there. I unplugged it, plugged it back in, it wouldn't work. For all practical purposes, this drive is dead. Here's what sucks. This is my external drive plugged into my computer that has all of my media and logos and things. I mean, it's got client work on there and stuff. So what did I do? Well, I want to tell you about Backblaze. Now, Backblaze is not sponsoring this. They don't even know I'm doing the video. I've been paying a subscription on Backblaze for a long time, just in case this happened. So let me kind of walk you through what I did, and there will be a link down in the description to Backblaze if you want to check it out. If you don't use Backblaze, use some cloud backup system to back up your hard drive in case hard drives happen. So here's my Backblaze dashboard, and if you notice right here, it says an overview. It shows you exactly what I'm backing up. I'm backing up my Mac Mini, and again, I've chosen to do it every night. There's my new one right here, this new Lacy, I think as it is, and that was where my old one was. I also have a Samsung 1 terabyte SSD drive that I edit off of, and it will show you the last time it was updated. So what I did is I went to View Restore Files. And these are the options I had, and these would be the options you can have. You can download for free. You can click different ones, different files. It'd be in a zip format. To me, I just had too much stuff to do. This was the option I went with right here. I decided to pay the $189. I'd get a USB hard drive, and it would mirror whichever drive I told them I wanted. Once I get it, I had 30 days to return it for a refund. I could have kept it, but I decided to go with the Lacy, and then you send it back and they refund the $189. I'm out the shipping. Here's something else I thought was really cool. Let's say I couldn't wait the few days it took to send it. Here's the new one right here, and it's backed up everything. Let's say I'm working on a project and I really needed something. Let's say I wanted to re-edit, something from my trip to Ecuador. I could just download that to my hard drive right there, and then I could keep working. So I didn't have to do that, but that was another option. But it was really that simple. So what you do is once you have your subscription, you choose what you want it to back up. So I have it back up my Mac Mini and any external drives every night. Now you can choose the frequency. I think that's actually the one they recommend. I don't even worry about it. Anything I dump on to my external hard drive is going to be backed up just in case I need it. Once I got my Restore hard drive from Backblaze, and it comes encrypted with a special key that only I would have. So now I've got the Lacy hard drive working. All I do is I erase the Restore one that Backblaze sent me. I ship it back. It'll be at my cost, but still, that's pennies for peace of mind. I hope something like this never happens to you, but if you're dealing with any type of external drives, or heck, just your own hard drive, you really want to think about backup. I hope this helps you protect your stuff, because if you're creating, you need to protect it. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.